Blair's trying to poison me this morning. We're out at the coast of North Carolina right now. Came by Marine Corps Air Station Cherry Point. Blair was just saying, I love this campground. It's great little, there's walking trails. It's quiet. There's nobody back here.
Ready for a boat ride.
Are you ready to go? You got your gear on.
You can't even tell in the video how ridiculous it looks with my vest on. Yay!
So when I pour the third of a cup, I pour a little extra over the top and just let it spill over. That's Piper share.
Ooh, Carolina, when did you get such a hold on me?
We left upstate of South Carolina and headed out to Florence, South Carolina. Spent the night in a Sam's Club parking lot. Got up and went to Buc-ee's the next morning for an awesome sunrise. And then continued on to New Bern, North Carolina.
Second guessing every interaction.
Blair's trying to poison me this morning. She's got some kind of something poured in my coffee cup. I don't know what it is.
I'm poisoning you.
But it's like coffee snot.
You made your own coffee this morning. You poured your own coffee, and all you did was ask me to pour it in here.
The ground. I don't think it's healthy. I want it to come down.
All right, let's go pick a spot.
What's the verdict?
You go pick a spot, and then you come back up and put your payment in the box.
Blair and I are out at the coast of North Carolina right now. Came by Marine Corps Air Station Cherry Point. Hang out with the Davises for a couple of nights, but stopped in the gym here today after being in the car for all day. And I've been working pretty hard for the last few months since we finished the trail 90-ish days ago. My walking legs are great, but my running legs weren't, and still not. So I rode a 5K instead of the running 3 miles. I did the pull-ups. My pull-ups are lacking, but they're still pretty strong. And my core work is not as strong as it was, but it's getting there. But not too bad for almost 45 years old. I scored a 298 on the Marine Corps physical fitness test.
Your poison you left out for me, so sweet it made me sing. Ooh, Carolina, when did you get such a hold on me? Why did you have to?
We are leaving the, what's it called, beach?
Flanners Beach Campground.
Like Planner? P-L-A?
Flanner.
Flanner.
Yeah.
This is the National Recreation Area right outside of Havelock, North Carolina, and not far from New Bern, North Carolina. It's a great little campground, tucked away, cheap. Blair was just saying, I love this campground. It's great little, there's walking trails. It's quiet. There's nobody back here.
You're on your little oasis. Like
Yeah.
It's a little tucked away from, it's like 1.5 miles from the main road, but you don't feel like you're that close. And
Yep.
Yeah, it's
We were here, we were here visiting the Davis family. We had a great dinner with them, and they came over and visited last night. We hung out for a while. I work with them as a Marine. Life's good, so it's really fun to hang out with them, and I really miss them too. We're headed to Wilmington today to go visit with some other Marine friends, and back to South Carolina tomorrow.
Yeah, to see some other friends.
Yeah.
And to run a half marathon.
Who's the other friends we're seeing?
The Salts.
Oh, yeah.
I know. We got to leave early tomorrow so we can get back.
Man, we just got people everywhere. I'm so excited. Like, it's so fun. The RV community is awesome. The Marine Corps community is awesome. Like, the friends we have around the country, I've said it in so many videos, but we are so blessed with such awesome humans in our lives. And I'm so grateful.
Yeah.
All the time.
I know. I feel bad we were delayed a day on this trip, so
Yeah.
it's pushed everything a day. So, unfortunately, we can't dilly-dally in the morning.
No, okay.
Hang out, but, yep.
All right. Well, see you all down the road.
Set my sails and wait for the wind to blow.
Ready for a boat ride.
Scatter the miles, still finding my way to
Sold.
go. Close your eyes.
After an awesome day on the water, Piper found her new favorite toy, lamb chop. Then we enjoyed some time by the fire with plenty of fun and laughter and camaraderie, and Piper was exhausted for the night while we ate supper. But thank you, a huge thank you to Mark and Renee for hosting us for the night. Great to see you guys again and catch up with some other old friends too, inadvertently. Great to see everyone, and we can't wait to hang out with all of you guys again.
2, 3, 4, 5.
No matter where we go, you make this feel like home.
Okay. After we made it back to South Carolina, we got to see the Solts. You might remember them from our time in Pennsylvania while hiking the trail. They hosted us at their house, but also great to see you guys again. Fun-filled weekend. In the wee small hours of the morning,
Yeah.
we off to run miles.
It's not raining. It's not that cold.
It's going to be beautiful today.
It's going to be a good day.
Good morning, Bright Light. You ready to go? You got your gear on.
You can't even tell in the video how ridiculous it looks with my vest on and my water bottles underneath. Yeah, this is my toss and go shirt. I'm warmer than it was.
Yeah.
The bathroom helps because it's hot in there with however many people are in there.
All that hot breath.
Like 30 people.
Can I get one up for y'all?
No,
We're making a
okay.
video. Thank you.
Thank you. But yeah,
All right.
warming up.
Cool.
Proper warm up. Gotta
Yep.
get a lunge in there. Get a lunge in there.
Blair never gets a proper warm up.
I do. More recently than not.
How'd you do, marathon runner?
Woo! I felt great until the last mile and a half.
Yeah, me too.
That last mile uphill was tough. I think I may have just missed 2 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours and 10 seconds.
Oh no.
We'll see what the final result is, but bummer. Yay!
Your goal was,
My goal was 2 hours.
and you finished.
2 hours.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Holy crap!
Yay! That last mile.
154.
Man, I knew I was ahead of pace until the last mile and a half, and then going up that uphill. Because I went from I started out at 9:50, and then the whole first half I worked my way down to 9:05, and then the second half I worked my way down all the way to 8:50 and 8:30, and I held each of those for a few miles. And then the last mile and a half, it jumped to 9:12. And I was like, I've worked so hard chipping away, and I knew I needed a 9:09 average. Wow. Yay! Yes! And you killed it in an hour and 56 minutes.
54.
54 minutes without even training. I tip my hat to you.
You know what my least favorite part was?
The whole thing?
From the start to the finish.
So I felt great. The whole first half, I felt great. I was faster than my expected time, and then, like I said, the whole the last 6 of the last 7 miles felt great. And then the sun
Was really the sun,
You were
running
in-
into the sun, coming back.
Yeah,
And I had to run a 9:30 to 10 minute pace going out for the first 4 miles just to get through the crowd.
Yeah.
I averaged, when I got through the crowd, I was at 8:40 for the whole time.
Yeah. Oh man, if I just stuck with you, I would have been right there with you because that felt great. And then the mile and a half mark, you come out of the trees into an open park, and then it's just straight sun for the next mile, and then the last mile is uphill.
Running into the sunset.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
Cool. Congratulations, baby.
Oh, thanks. Man, that's awesome.
My legs are smoked.
Yeah. Mine are definitely more tired than they are on my normal long runs because I give more effort. But
The amount of people who stomp when they run
Oh yeah,
is bananas.
that hurts my knees and hips just looking at.
But I was happy about her time.
Yeah.
And then she gets measured, so I could run 1 second faster.
I know, 1 second faster per mile, and I would have been well under 2 hours. Not well under, but like 15 seconds under.
You said that was a PR, right?
Yeah, that was my PR. Woo! By like 17 minutes or something. Not bad.
I might be stuck.
Stuck?
My legs don't work.
Oh. Well, I'm not that strong.
Oh man.
That's what happens when you don't train.
Whew. I can do it, but I'm not conditioned to do it.
Nope.
Man, that's so, my quads are so sore. So my gait, my running gait is weird. That's the problem. My quad over here gets so worked out because of my weird Achilles, and this calf muscle gets so worked out because of that weird Achilles. So my gait's a little off. I try and think really hard about my steps and running, but my hips are so. I'm waiting for you to get up.
Fatigued. I know. I need to. What do you think, Pipe? Did you enjoy your morning alone?
But you know, when we went to do the distilleries, they have what's called the angel share, how much whiskey goes down in the barrel, so it's just air.
No.
You remember that term?
No. Oh, yeah, I do.
So it's the angel share of that barrel. So this is your share, and this is my share, and this is the angel share. This is Piper's share.
She knows it.
She just knows it. So when I pour the third of a cup, I pour a little extra over the top and just let it spill over. That's Piper's share.
What do you think, Pipe? Are you so excited? Come here. My son? Nope. Good job. Some more? Nope. It's got a good view here. Oh, wow. Wait, Scout needs a share.
It's not Piper's share.
Hi, you missed one. Good job. I almost peed myself the whole last 2 miles.
How do you have a coat on?
It was cold with my sweat.
Those things give me diarrhea.
People were asking about bathroom breaks and what to do, and she was like, or you could just do what I do. Just pee on myself.
I do have some chafage.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah, on the inside of my leg right there. My one leg.
I'm sorry.
It burns.